Hi everyone, it's Ziv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. Hi Armin, hi Sophia. This is a video, share, a late post that I wanted to do a video for. So Armin and Sophia and I got together after Valentine's Day for a little meetup to hang out, to catch up with life. We do so every couple of months, and we really enjoy each other's friendship and company. And we usually like to gift each other kind of themed crafty projects. So as you can see, this is a Valentine's themed project that Sophia very sweetly created. All of her, these are her handmade with love goodies that she created for us, and I wanted to spend a little time to reopen my gifts. We do usually open up our gifts right after lunch, and we are wowed with each other's gifts. I really admire both Armin and Sophia, their creative talent, and I'm always inspired by them both. And hopefully, in sharing this video, hopefully you can go to their channels to see what type of inspiration that you can pull from their design projects as well. So it gives me a lot of joy in kind of reopening these packages, and also just kind of looking at them again and enjoying them. So this is a beautiful card that Sophia created, and I really love all of her whimsical designs. She has a great knack for creating a lot of different layers on her cards, and the colors that she uses, the pastels, that's her thing. So I really admire that, and her beautiful card. So she wrote me a little note inside, but I wanted to share with you the details and the layers of this card. She used vellum and different textures overall. The vellum, the layers, the little enamel dots, the die cuts, the unique die cuts, the sparkle on the 14, the thread gingham, and then this little all the fibers on top here, just to top off the card. I just love it. Isn't that sweet? And I have a little tabletop little swirl. I'll probably post a picture of all of the handmade cards that I've received over the years from my crafty friends. And whenever I need inspiration, which I have to pull a lot from lately because my crafty mojo has been out the door, I have this little swinging tabletop contraption, if you will, and it helps that I can draw inspiration from all of my crafty friends. So beautiful card, Sophia. Thank you. This is another handmade with love, little baggie. I'm not sure if this is a Scrap Diva, but I know this is probably one of her Scrap Diva hearts. She used up, this is a Target dollar spot little arrow that I've been hoarding in my stash, and she pulled it out and created a little personalized it with my name on it. I think that is super duper sweet. I love that, Sophia. And inside she gifted a, so we can use this ring while we're creating charms to kind of open up the gap. I don't even remember what they're called, but we can easily pull on the little rings that we put on our charms easily. So this is a little contraption that we can use. So thank you, Sophia. That was really thoughtful of you. I know I want to do more more of the charms on projects. This is an ooh la la little sign that I can put on my tier tray. I just moved into a new room at work, my office space, and I will permanently put this in my little tier tray next to my coffee station, which I love already. And it just makes me smile just thinking that that is something that a decor piece that I'm going to be adding. All of us got this really sweet Target dollar spot little potion bottle. So this, I love this. This is like a bright pink. I didn't get this design. As a matter of fact, did I even buy myself one? I know Armin gifted one. So this is a fun little glass bottle, and she placed it in this little sweet little teal bag. She also took some time to paper piece a little Hello Kitty face and added some felt hearts as well as a little teal button, and that is so cute. I think she said that she fastened. Oh, so let me pull it up at the end. That's what I remember. That's what I recall. And she had closed it up. So I will reach in here. She gifted us a little bottle opener. Isn't that so adorable? A little Hello Kitty bottle opener. And then she has in this little mini memory decks these darling little Hello Kitty, little pink Hello Kitty hoops. That is so cute. And I think she created the little backing for it. Thank you, Sophia. I'll be sure to wear it at our next meetup. That is so darling. It's nice and pink. And look at this little gummy paper clip. It's too sweet for sure. That is so cute. She also gifted an XO. Thank you. And a little pink smacker. I know Armin gifted a lip smacker, a red one. I wonder if there are different flavors. Yes, this one is a bonbon. What does it say? Bonbon. Sweet candy flavor. So cute. And also hand lotion. Thank you. That's too cute. So let's admire the front of the box again. I just love it. So sweet. Let's move on to this is a KS Craft little box that she created. I just love it. I love how it's like pretty packaging. Isn't that pretty packaging? There's a wood heart, and I love her use of a variety of different textures that she adds to her projects, including this little ribbon and the little fun little gems. And she closed it up with a, I don't remember what these are called. It's late in the night, and I wanted to create this video when everyone was asleep. So I think my brain has stopped working after 10. So in any case, you know what I'm talking about. It's reusable, so I can keep it closed and open it up as well. And so she created, oh, this is a fun way of decorating and adding. Oh, look, she put my name on it to personalize. How cute. I love it. Love the fun colors. Thank you so much, Sophia. So, she has added some clay bits in here, some XOXO clay bits and some love, little teal love clay bits as well. And in here, she's gifted, sorry for the sprinkling, a generous amount of beautiful gem-like hearts. It's so cute. I can definitely use this all year round. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Sophia. She also created this little box. How cute. I love how she decorated it. Such a cute little box. And there's a little lip here where you can kind of easily open up. And look at these little candied pieces where she added these darling she's added some charms. Look at all these charms. How sweet. The little locks and hearts, and this is a little letter or a journal. Oh, that is so sweet. Perfect for letter April. April is National Letter Writing Month. And look at this little envelope and this one's a little heart that's popping up on top of an envelope. It is so sweet. Thank you, Sophia. Oh, that is so sweet. And she placed them all in this little fun little container, candy container. I love the pretty packaging that you use to jazz up your goodies. Oh, and there's more. I can't seem to open this one up so easily, and I don't want to break it. But here's some more goodies, some more charms. Thank you, Sophia. Ooh, do I see Hello Kitty faces in here? Okay, I don't want to break it, but I think I see Hello Kitty faces in here. That is too cute to dispute. Thank you, Sophia, for sharing these, for gifting this to me. Too cute. She placed all of these handmade with love boxes, pretty packaging, in this little baggie, and this is a little die cut that says hugs. And she also created these little sweetheart candy box. I think this is a Scrap Diva bow, which I love and I have, and I should pull out and play with. Love it. And in this candy box, there's candy. Our favorite Ghirardelli. And I'm going to take them out so that we can enjoy. Hubby and I can enjoy, even though he's on a diet. Oh, that's so sweet. I love pretty packaging. She also put it in this cute little perfect little baggie. She packaged it up and added this little tag from Cupid mail delivery. That is darling little metal piece. And She also gifted a It Girl bag. This is so cute. This is so cute. It's an accessory pouch. And inside, we have a Ray Dunn notepad, which I will definitely be bringing to work to check off my things I need to do, and also some pretty stickers. Darling. Oh, and this is another sticker pack that she gifted. And look at these die cuts, ephemera die cuts that she handmade. This is like a heart donut. This is a little bottle and a love typewriter, as well as a bottle opener, and it has a little charm on it. I love the little details. Thank you so much, Sophia. And look at the clay bits in here. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Sophia. I heart you and all of your Handmade with Love goodies. Thank you so much for these Handmade with Love goodies. I appreciate your friendship, and I am looking forward to our next meetup soon. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll put Sophia's information in the description box below. I'm sure you're already subscribed to her, but please go to Armin and Sophia's YouTube videos and please give them a follow if you haven't done so, if you're new to the crafting community. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos, and I will see everyone in the next video. Bye.